Hi, I'm Casey Gresseth, and today I'm here to tackle one of the most frequently asked questions we get online. Where can I buy BG products? Well, it's not as simple as just pointing you to our website. You see, BG manufactures professional use products and equipment, only available to licensed repair facilities. In fact, I spent a great deal of my time training technicians on how to properly administer our products and services. There are only a few of our products that can even be administered without specialized equipment, like the Power 3 for instance. Now, it's pretty easy to find our products online, but as a business-to-business company, we just don't sell on sites like Amazon or eBay. We can't vouch for the quality or validity of products found on those types of websites, and as a do-it-yourselfer, you won't qualify for a lifetime BG protection plan. Now, maybe at this point you're feeling a little deflated. Maybe you were just hoping for a link. Well, let me tell you, BG trainers like myself have worked with technicians at more than 22,000 shops nationwide. These technicians are specially certified to administer our products and services on vehicles just like yours. To find a licensed repair facility where you can purchase BG products, go to bgfindashop.com.